Hey guys, it's Mr. Mini Painter, and today I'm opening this very special Marvel Zombies box. It's a Zombicide game issued by Cool Mini or Not and Spin Master Games, CMON. And the reason that this is special is that it's the Kickstarter exclusive box with a lot of extra miniatures. The box itself looks amazing, as all of the others do. You see some very cool minis here in zombie or either hero mode. It's going to contain a lot of characters to play with the game, and I'm very excited to open this up. On the back here we see many of these, if not all of these miniatures. There are 82 in total, 46 superheroes, 27 zombies, and 9 bystanders. So a lot of new minis to paint, collect, and use in the game. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's in there. It might be too much to check them all out, but well, we'll see. Let's carefully open this plastic and see what's inside. So here we go. I'm really loving these minis. They look so amazing. And up until now they have been so much fun to paint. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna put this aside. The packaging is incredible. And let's see how they did it this time. The box art is very cool. Look at that. Okay, so here we are. There are multiple levels. Here we have the cards, which is a huge stack in this case, holding all the IDs and the mini cards. So yeah, let's look at that pile. And here are those minis. The heroes, more heroes and some bystanders. And of course, the zombies, with some very special ones. So let's start with, well, what to start? There's too many of them. Let's go with the first one. Here we are. So from the top here is Captain Marvel. Full action mode. We have Deadpool. I really like this pose. And then over here, Captain America. Looking very nice. The big guy, the Hulk. I have previously painted Zombie Hulk, but this is so impressive. Look at him clenching at the steel bar. Wasp. Iron Man, with the Stark logo in the back. Here we have War Machine. What an amazing suit that is. Look at that minigun mounted on top. a rocket launcher. That's beautiful. Namor. Over here. Black Bolt. With his sword in hand, Baron Zemo. I really love this one. Dr. Doom. That is so nice. And of course here, Beast. Guess who's gonna make a name for himself? Gambit. Nightcrawler. Also a beautiful pose. Loki. Full horns. Big trident. Then here we have Crossbones. Fully weaponized. The Juggernaut. That's impressive. Is this Kraven? Not really sure. I love the details they put on these signs as well. That is so well made. Cyclops. These special models, they really make it worth. Not that the other ones aren't great, but how beautiful is this? It doesn't even require painting. Of course, we're gonna do it, but the translucency is great. Look at her. So nice. Psylocke. Star-Lord. The poses on these models, they are so well thought of. Ready for action. Look at him, Hawkeye. Sword in the back. And it's very sturdy when compared to some other companies. So we're going to continue with these models. And with those bystanders, here we have Vanessa Fisk. The beauty of these models is that they require very little cleaning. This one has a little thingy over here, but most of them are very well done, have very little mold lines, so they're good to go. Foggy Nelson here. Harry Osborn. Actually, that's not Harry Osborn. This is Harry Osborn. This is Jim Woo. Cap's big friend Dum Dum. Dum Dum Dugan. With a beautiful bowler hat and a shotgun. I love this guy. I have painted him before with the Marvel Crisis Protocol games. Claire Temple. And to accompany Foggy, we have Karen. Is that right? Or am I mixing my Marvel characters now? Ben Urich. And of course, Iron Man's big friend, Happy Hogan, holding Iron Man's helmet, which is such a nice detail. Now here we have Daredevil. Elektra. Beautiful pose, look at that tree. Kingpin, Mr. Fisk. Huge body, small head, and holding his classic cane. Then we have Bullseye. Next is, whoop, I'm skipping one. Luke Cage. Big upper body, muscular. Next is Jessica Jones. Nice pose. Followed by Shang-Chi. A little dragon here. Then we have Morbius, the vampire. The nice detailed cross here. Standing on a graveyard. This one I love. Blade. So nice. Ghost Rider. It's gonna be fun to paint with the flames. Black Knight. Always fun to paint at night. And everybody's favorite friend, Miles Morales. To upgrade our Spideyverse. Spider-Woman. Now we get to the big ones. Moon Knight. Again, beautiful pose. Vulture. Lizards. So nice. And Electro. Carnage. Also done very nice. The Ravencroft sign on the bottom. I love how they stuck to the comics and not so much the movies. And of course, Dark Oak. That is very, very cool. But we're not there yet. One more tray we have here with some very, very special ones. So let's start with the big one over here, Giant Man. In giant form, giant zombie form, that is. Very, very cool. Let's finish with this one. Go from the top here, Scarlet Witch. Zombified Scarlet Witch with a hand coming out of the ground. Next we have Doctor Strange. Zombie Strange. I love this pose. Pushing this portal and a hand coming out. Over here we have Zombie Thor. Lifting the hammer and his arm coming off. That is such a nice detail. Miss Marvel with a huge zombie hand. Next here, Winter Soldier. Crashed bike in the background. Spear through his leg. Dagger through his chest. And missing his arm. The Human Torch. I guess he's still flaming, but looking a little bit less healthy. Black Cat with the small cat over there. Next is Daredevil. Zombified, still holding his weapons. Beautiful background. Here we have Zombie Elektra. Dagger through the heart. Sword sticking on behind. Kingpin, he's unstoppable in life and even in death. His cane in his shoulder. Here is... who's this? Bullseye, right? Yeah. Bullseye. Then we have Luke Cage. Bending down some poles. Still strong. Scorpion. His tail crashing in the bottom. I love how all these minis have unique bases. A not so healthy looking Craven. Then, who do we have here? Mystique. And Rogue. We got Beast here. Zombeast. And who's this with this sword? Is that Gamora? it is. The big sword. Yeah, that's her. This one here then should be Nova, right? Yeah, look at the helmet. Moon Knight. Then here is Moon Knight in zombie form. Huge model. We got Colossus. Now, how on earth do you zombify Colossus? Nightcrawler. Beautiful pose, hanging by the sign. Then here is Gambit. Still holding some cards. Stick through his chest. Oh, what are you gonna do? Wolverine. The fastest healing zombie there is. What a beautiful pose on this one. Magneto. And over here we have Storm, with a whirlwind of human skulls. And probably the masterpiece of this collection, Dark Phoenix. Beautiful. Look at that big phoenix on the back. That is so beautifully done. She's one of the heroes, to be clear. She's not a zombie. I really love this transparent look. That is so, so nice. Well, that's it. The Kickstarter special edition to these minis, to this beautiful Zombicide Marvel Zombies game. I can't wait to paint them all. It's probably gonna take me the rest of my life, but who cares? It's a lot of fun. And I'm gonna show you some of the results when finished. And well, that's it for this video, I guess. It's a shame to back it up again. I think I'm gonna watch them all again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll keep you posted with more new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.